Very good. Ciao, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. And as you can see, I'm making some meat sauce for tonight's dinner. We have 4 guests, so I'm preparing a double batch. This is one of the recipes that you can find on mealsforlongevity.com. This is a classic bolognese sauce with pork, with beef, with tomato, and we're gonna serve it over noodle for tonight, over spaghetti. This is an example of what you find in the section of the Chef I recipes on mealsforlongevity.com for the Mediterranean diet. This is going to be cooking very slow for about 30-45 minutes, depending on the thickness I like. And it's very basic, but it's very yummy. And I flavored it with herbs from the garden: rosemary, sage, garlic, onions, and carrot celery. This is one of the basic sauces that we have in the Italian cuisine, but it's very well known in America. In addition, look at what we got. So this is meatballs that I was able to make for 2 people. These are 25 grams meatballs, ground beef and pork. They've been baking for about 20 minutes. This is another recipe that you find on mealsforlongevity.com. So as you can see, we have plenty of recipes for you available to be able to do the new modern Mediterranean diet and cook at home. Just go on mealsforlongevity.com, subscribe over here, subscribe over there to the newsletter. Ciao!